Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 5 of this series. I wasn't planning on doing this. I went out to the shop and I ran one for a friend of mine just to test it. And you can see, I couldn't see with the red dot pointer, but I engraved it with a vector at like 100 speed and 5 power. So it just barely didn't damage the knife. And then I put it in there. So a couple of things. Once you've done this, you're going to set the home for that corner. If you haven't watched the other parts, you might want to watch it. So we're going to take away the picture. Well, I guess my text is on that picture. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to set my nudge factor on like 2 inches, and we're going to nudge that up. And we're going to nudge this up, but then we're going to make it black. And we're going to nudge up our dot. So we can just delete this now or just take it off the screen. I am going to go ahead and Control G to group that. Even though you're going to set the home down in here for your laser bed, you still need to put this to the top of your laser in the diagram. And what I would do, because this is grouped together, is I'd get it close and I'd put that dot right on that X of the laser bed. Now I'm going to set my nudge factor something pretty low, like 0.01, and I'm going to click on it and I'm going to put it right. That's really probably close enough. I'm going to go 0.001 and tap it down just a little bit more. So it's like right, and you could put lines across here, but that's not necessary. And then you're going to test this. So you're going to set your home, even though your knife's going to be way down here, you're going to set your home. The laser is going to think that it's up in here, and take this and ungroup it. And if you're fortunate enough to have in your print driver where you can select an item, you can select that box. I do not have a printer hooked up to this laser or a laser. I do not have a laser hooked up to this printer or to this computer. So I'm going to see, I moved it. I don't want to move it. I want to. And then run that. And if you have your red dot pointer, and if it's anything but black, the red's going to show up. You could put the tape over it, and actually, even with your lid open, you don't have to mark the tape. You could watch it, and then cut your tape. It's kind of hard to see with the knife where it's at, but you can actually kind of peel half the tape up and look at it. But you need to put it up here, and then run that. And if that box, because this is the home, is in the right place. If it's not, if it's off a little bit because your measurement of your picture was off and mine was off a little bit, just nudge it up. I'd start off at like 0.01 and select David and just move it up to where that red dot is in the knife where you want it. Hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.